Hello, traders. Welcome to today's Pairs of the Day update. Let's delve into the latest movements and key factors influencing the gold, Japanese yen, JPY, and US dollar, USD. Gold prices have tumbled to a two-week low, now trading at $2,364 per ounce. This decline follows the release of better-than-expected economic data from the US for the second quarter of 2024. The robust performance of the U.S. economy has weighed heavily on the precious metal, causing it to drop by over 1.3%. Since reaching a high of $2,483 on July 17, gold prices have fallen by approximately 5%. This decline is largely attributed to profit-taking by investors, even as U.S. Treasury yields have dropped and the U.S. dollar remains firm. The current spot price stands at $2,364 per ounce. The Japanese yen continues its upward trend against the US dollar, now hovering near its 12-week high of 152.22. This strength in the yen is likely due to traders unwinding carry trades in anticipation of the Bank of Japan's policy meeting next week. The Bank of Japan is expected to raise interest rates at its upcoming meeting, prompting short sellers to close their positions and bolstering the yen. Additionally, the BOJ is widely anticipated to outline plans to taper its bond purchases, further supporting the currency's strength. The US dollar could gain ground as recent PMI data reveals a faster expansion in private sector activity for July. This underscores the resilience of US economic growth despite elevated interest rates, giving the Federal Reserve more leeway to maintain its restrictive policy stance. Investors are expected to closely monitor upcoming U.S. economic reports, including the gross domestic product data for the second quarter and the personal consumption expenditures inflation data. These reports are anticipated to provide new insights into the economic conditions in the United States and potentially influence the Federal Reserve's policy decisions. Now, let's see what technical analysis reveals. Let's look at the charts. Okay, we have opened the 4-hour chart of USDJPY. The price is currently moving slightly below the 20-period moving average, with the stochastic indicator moving higher near the overbought area, suggesting a potential uptrend. For support and resistance, we've identified 152.78 and 150.78 as support levels, with resistance levels at 155.58 and 157.80. If the price continues higher, it may encounter resistance near 155.58 or potentially reach up to 157.80, with a profit potential ranging from 100 to 150 pips. On the downside, any pullbacks might find support around 152.78. Now, let's switch to the 4-hour chart of XAU-USD, gold. The price is currently moving below the 20-period moving average, with the stochastic indicator moving inside the oversold area, suggesting a slight upward movement. We've identified 2,340.20 and 2,324.52 as support levels and 2,376.07 and 2,392.09 as resistance levels. If the price continues higher, it could encounter resistance near 2,376.07 or even test higher towards 2,392.09, with profit potential ranging from $16 to $30. Conversely, any pullbacks might find support around 2,340.20. Always remember to consider your risk management before entering any positions. That concludes today's update. See you in the next video.